What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm out here wading in a creek today. I'm looking for some smallmouth bass and some trout. I'm used to coming out here a lot later in the season, so it's a little bit chilly. The water's flowing pretty fast and pretty deep. We're gonna be throwing some ultralight gear, looking for whatever bites basically. Let's go catch some fish. We're heading back to the secret area now. Back when I was a kid, this entire path didn't exist. It was just a little gap in the bushes that you had to know about. These days it's not so private. This is a lot more flow than we're used to.
Yeah, that is true.
We had some rain the last few days, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, last time we were here, we were standing on this section. This was like the safe area.
Oh, you're right.
This is gonna be good. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is way colder and deeper than we're used to fishing here. Oh my gosh, this is frigid. I can see why there's no casual swimmers here today. It's gonna pay off though. You know what? If we could catch 0 fish today, I'd be happy. I need the flash.
Let's go.
You got a fish?
Fucking go.
Oh, let's go, smallmouth. They're in here, folks.
Baby. Yes. Yes. Let's go.
First fish is in the boat. We know they're here now.
Oh my god.
Look at it. Show it off. Yo, look at its belly. Show its belly. That thing's got some. You need some plier action.
Yeah. God, man.
There you go.
So, look at this beautiful fucking specimen right there.
First fish of the day. Look at those nice brown colors. Oh my god, that's a bronze back if I've ever seen one.
Oh yeah.
Let's go catch some more.
Nice little spots.
Let's get the release. There he goes. I have one. I got a fish. Let's go. Looks like a warmouth. Yeah. There we go, baby. Ouch. Little rock bass. Let's go, baby. There's my first fish of the day. Small but mighty. I'm gonna go for the underwater release here. That's one fish down for each of us. Oh, I just got another bite. Ephern is the place to be. Oh, I got a bite over there. Oh, there we go. I got another one. What do we have here? Looks like... Oh, we got a follower. What? Shoo! Yeah, it was like a little like bottom feeder though. I've got one release already. Here's another one, guys. Got another little rock bass here. I'm gonna get another underwater release, see how it looks. All right, that's 2 little rock bass down. They're fun to catch, but I'm looking for some smallmouths or some trout, hopefully. We're gonna keep searching, keep going upstream and see what we find in all these little pockets. Oh no. Oh no. A 3-pounder. We'll send this Belmer's way. Huh? Nothing. And another snag. Casting over towards these logs because I know the fish will hang out near them, but I keep getting snagged up on them. many snags. Oh, I got one. Yeah. Guess what? That's right, ladies and gentlemen, it's another rock bass. There we go, it's fish number 3, another monster. Probably the biggest fish I've ever caught in my life. Let's let him go. No more underwater footage for that guy. We'll resume that when I catch another species, maybe, or a big boy. I got one. Hey. It's number 4 right there, folks. Nothing spectacular about this one either. It's just about the same. Just another rock bass. Number 4, same size, still tiny. Yeah. Oh, what is that?
Oh, yeah, dude.
What is that?
Find out.
Oh, creek chub. Oh, what? Trout! Let's go!
Fucking go!
Let's go!
God!
God
Yes.
damn, buddy!
Oh my God, my first trout.
That's your first trout on camera.
This hole was.
Yeah, where your friends at? Where your friends at? You got him? What your hand? What your hand?
Yeah, I'm going to.
Oh my God, your first trout. You got him?
Oh my goodness, look at this. Beautiful, man.
Look at him. Oh my gosh. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he's good. Let's go.
That's so fucked up.
We were like, no way. Well, he was okay in the end. That's all that matters.
Yeah, exactly.
That was a nice looking fight, though. He was like flapping his tail around. Good job, dude. What are you throwing, a rooster tail?
Huh?
What are you throwing, a rooster tail? What the? Yeah, I got one. Look at this little guy. This is the smallest one yet. I guess it makes sense. Just another little rock bass again. This is the smallest one yet. I guess it makes sense. I caught him on a little grub instead of a rooster tail. Phew! I haven't caught a fish in a couple hours now, so it was nice to feel another tug on my line. It was nice to feel another tug on my line, at least.
Yeah.
Not like I literally was using basically this lure under this tree when I caught my first ever fish on a lure, and I'm pretty sure it was a rock bass. So I feel like I should be a little bit more emotional about that catch. They really have a fish on this whole time? No way. Largemouth. A little largy.
Oh, that's a beautiful stripe, man.
He's looking good. Look at this little guy. Look at that nice stripe on him. He looks great. Nice lateral line. Wow. There he goes. So there you have it, guys. I caught a couple of rock bass and one largemouth. Belmer caught his first trout ever, which he was super excited about, as you guys saw. He caught a couple smallies. Overall, this was a fun trip. I just was not expecting to be so cold and rough. I'm definitely in a little bit of pain right now, but I think I'll be okay. We're definitely gonna come back here later on in the season when it's a little bit more fun to fish. We'll try to look for some more trout, and we're gonna do some more exploring as well. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know down below what you thought about this video, and have a good one.